What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing and overview of the CH Precision Optics EDC-XL. If you haven't seen, I've done already an unboxing and overview of the comp model, which is awesome. So I'm super excited to see how this one is as well. And obviously I'll put a link to this and the other products down below. So check them out if you haven't checked out CH Precision yet. So like I said, let's go ahead and get this unboxed first. All right, perfect. Got everything out here. Let's go over what does come with it. We do have a cleaning cloth as seen here. We have a thank you card, as well as on the other side, we have our warranty and manual link that you can go and view those. We also have our battery that's provided that will go in this because it doesn't come with a battery in it. So we do have to put that in there. And then we have two tools. One is for the screws that we have here. For installing it, and then the other one is actually for the windage and elevation adjustment. You can see it's like a small flathead screwdriver, and then also for opening the battery door to put our battery in. That's what this will be used for. And then lastly, as I mentioned, is our screws. So it does come with, looks like these are 632 by 0.433 inch or T10 screws here. So if you're ready to mount these, you can use these, or make sure you have the right screws. You might have different threads depending on the model that you're attaching this to. Last but not least then is our actual optic, and this thing looks awesome. Right out of the gate here, obviously it does have like a Holosun 507 or 407C type look to it, and it is the same footprint. This is the RMR footprint, so any place that you have a Holosun optic or a RMR footprint, this will attach to with no problem. So let's go ahead. Next thing is get a battery in this thing, see if it works here. So I'm going to open up our battery. We're going to use the tool to open the battery door on the side here. Perfect, and we can slide the tray out, and then now we're going to go ahead, put our battery in facing downward like that, and then we can go ahead and reinsert it and put our screw back on. Awesome. Now that that's back on here, let's go ahead and see if we want to turn it on. We have two buttons on the side here, up arrow and down arrow, so pretty simple. So if we hit one of them here, we can see there it will turn on, and we're all set. As far as other functionality, obviously we have windage and elevation on the side respectively here, so we can dial this in, dial that one in to get it zeroed. And then as I already mentioned, we have just two buttons on the side here, up and down, and this does have 10 levels of brightness. And just like the comp model here, the level 1 and level 2 brightness do work with night vision. So for all my nods people out there, you'll be good to go. This also offers 50,000 hours of battery life. And my favorite part is it has the shake to wake technology on it. So if we leave this sit for, I think it's like 5 minutes here, it will auto shut off to save battery. And then as soon as we give it a nudge or pick it up, it will turn back on. So I definitely love that feature. One thing EOTechs don't have, and that really ticks me off all the time. So definitely a plus there for this. For mounting this, as I mentioned, it is a RMR footprint here. And just to demonstrate here, I'll actually do another video. I'm gonna be putting this on a SIG M17, but just for this video here, as a quick glance here, this is a CH Precision optic plate for the M17 actually, where it converts it to a RMR footprint. So once I put this plate on here, all I have to do is take my optic here. You can see it'll go right on just like that. I have my two screw holes here to secure it down, and it's as simple as that. You're good to go, and you have your red dot mounted to your slide. One last thing, actually taking a look at the red dot here, you can see I kind of have it focused here. This is a 3 MOA red dot, so let's go ahead. I'm going to put the brightness all the way up. It currently is. And then if we bring that brightness down, you see it'll dim down. And then again, levels 1 and 2 will work with night vision. So pretty simple dot. I actually prefer just the dot compared to, you know, like the big 32 MOA circle with this. There's just too much going on. All you need is the dot, point and shoot, and you're all set there. I'm excited about this. I love the comp optics, so I'm excited to get this one out and try it. We'll also be doing some comparison on the two here. But either way, again, if you're looking to pick one of these up, check the link down below. I do have a discount code. Definitely save you some money there. So make sure to check that out. Plug it in at your cart on their website. So that way you can save some money and buy some more ammo. So that way you can keep shooting with this. Either way, I hope this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. And if you have questions, let me know down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.